In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Rocket Money. This is a simple process, but it's important to make sure that your contact information stays current, ensuring you don't miss any critical updates. So, let's get started. First, you want to head over to Rocket Money's main website. You can do this by opening up your preferred internet browser and typing in the Rocket Money web address. Once there, you'll need to log into your account if you're not already logged in. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click that and then proceed to enter your account credentials. This is just your usual email and password combination that you use for Rocket Money. After logging in, you should now find yourself at your dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub of your Rocket Money account, where you can see all your financial information at a glance. Now, what we want to do is head to the settings to make changes to your account. So look around for a settings icon or a link labeled settings. This is typically found in the upper or lower right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Within the settings menu, you'll find various options related to your account and profile. You need to select profile in this menu. Clicking on profile will take you to the section where you can make changes to your personal information. Among the options listed here, you'll find one that says change email. What you'll want to do now is select this option. You'll see fields where you can input your new email address. Make sure to type in the correct email address that you want to switch to. It's crucial to double check for any typos or errors, since this will be your primary email in the future. Once you're confident that you've entered the correct new email, you'll notice a button nearby to confirm the change. It might say something like change email or submit. Clicking on this button will initiate the process to update your email address. Depending on Rocket Money's policy, you might receive a confirmation email to both your old and new email addresses to verify the change. So, keep an eye on both inboxes. If you do receive a confirmation email, simply follow the instructions provided to finalize the update. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address on Rocket Money. Remember that keeping your contact details up to date is crucial for receiving important notifications and maintaining the security of your account. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to update your email again in the future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.